Today we are here again for transitions in PowerPoint presentation. We are going to look at how slides translate from one slide to another, the more professional transitions in PowerPoint presentation. This is our PowerPoint presentation and we have two slides. What we are going to do, we are going to look at how these PowerPoint slides translate from one another. We can add the third slide here and we put in table. This table, 5 column and 6 rows. This is the table. If you want to add more columns, what you do, you bring a cursor here. Once it turns into an arrow, you click and you come to the layout, you click layout and you insert in more using this one, insert below, because now we are inserting below. So this is the slide, the third slide. Now when you are adding transition in PowerPoint, you don't put transition on the first slide. No, you begin from the second slide, because the first slide works as the cover of your presentation. So if you want to add a transitions, what you do, you come on the tab and you click transitions. After clicking transitions, now the transition box comes here. This layout you are seeing here, all these ones are transitions. We have entrance transitions and exit transitions. Now these ones are exiting transitions when the slide leaves the display or the screen. So this one when the slide comes in the display. So all these transitions are more important, but there's some of them which are so professional, which look nice when you use them in your presentation. So we have this one. I'm saying we have cut, we have this one. Now once I click on the transition, it uses much speed, be effective. Why? Because here in duration, here we have 8 seconds. So if you increase to 1 and you come back and you click, I'm saying it delays a bit. So the moment you want it to delay, you increase. I'm saying. So the reason why we don't put transition on the first page, when the transition is on the second page, to be effective, it first display the first page. Let us first see. You are going to see this one. Let us put on to preview. Are you seeing? You first see the first page and the second page comes in. That's why we don't put here. Because if you put here, you will see blank first. Let us see. Are you seeing? There is nothing. You see, you see the blank page. Thereafter, the first page comes on the screen, which is not professional. Let us put another transition here on the third page. Let us use this one. That one. We increase the duration. So that is the entrance transition. Now let us add the exiting transition. Yes, that is it. We add even here exit transition like that. So even on the first page you add exit transition because it will leave the screen. We don't put. So let us go to slideshow and we see. Are you seeing? Now it is leaving the transition for exit even affects the following slide, because that is the way how that slide will come in. Are you seeing? Those are transitions. Back to transitions, we have here, we can add in sound as the slide transiting from itself to another slide. To make sound, we can add in some music. When you click on it, it has different sounds. So you can come here and you click loop until next, meaning that sound remains in the slide until the next comes in. Let us say like that one. We preview. Have you heard that sound? So that is the sound we are talking about. This duration, it's the time that one slide spent to translate from one slide to another. On mouse click, if you check this one on mouse click, meaning the transition will be only affected when you click on the mouse or any key button, or you click this one, you check this one after, meaning you have to set duration, the time or the second or minute, meaning once that time elapses, another slide comes on the screen. So this one, it works automatically by considering the time you have set here. Now, after making or choosing the transition you want on this slide, assuming you have more than 10 slides and you want all of them to transit in the same manner, what you do, you come here below the duration and you click this one, apply to all. Even the duration will be considered. From there, what we can talk about the transition, you come here to select more transitions. So this one is for dynamic content. That is how it works. So with transition, it only matters when you want to move from one slide to another. So before we look at how to add the content in the table, if you are new here, please subscribe, like this channel, leave the comment and share the video to other social media platforms. So to add in content, you can come and click on the table and start writing. You click in the table where you want to put the content and you start writing. I see what you write comes here. Again, you do the same here. You do the same. So to change the nature or the appearance of the table, what you do, you come here to table design, you click table design. Now the table format will be displayed here in the ribbon of the table design. You choose any table you want. If you want to shade only, like you want to change the color of this one, you put a cursor there and you shade. Are you seeing? You shade only one cell. This is how we shade different shade. Even here, it also helps you to put a border on that shell. Are you seeing? We already have borders. You can increase the size of the lines or border size. This one helps to increase the border lines. This is PT, 6 PT. Are you seeing? You come and draw them. You put a pencil there and you draw the border. So that is how that one works. If you want to add a column, you can bring a cursor on top of the table. Once it turns into arrow, you click to select the entire column. From there, you go to layout. The layout will provide you with different options of inserting columns and rows. To select a column, what you do, you come here. If you want the last column, you click here, you select the last column. If you want the first column, you tick there. So even you can tick here and you change the color of the first column. You click here and you change the color. Are you seeing? This is another format of tables. So far, that's what we can talk about the table in PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching. Catch up us next time.